What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at a TV docking station for your Nintendo Switch. So this is going to be a nice, small, low-profile docking station that you can use in place of the original Switch docking station. All you have to do is just use your same power adapter, and this is going to plug into the USB-C port on the back of the unit. And once you do that, you'll be able to dock your Nintendo Switch right on the docking station. And from there, all you have to do is plug in the HDMI cable into the back of the docking port, into your TV, and you can use your Nintendo Switch on your television. Now, if you have any other accessories that you need to plug in via USB, there are 3 USB ports on the back of the unit, so you can do that. And if you want to switch from TV mode to your handheld mode, you can do that as well. There's just a button. You just press that button, and now I'm switched back over to my screen. Now, this is going to be great if you want to just use the docking station as a charger for your Nintendo Switch. You can do that. And then once it's charged and you want to switch to your bigger screen, just press the button and we're switched back over. So this is going to be a great alternative to help you save some space. Also, this way you don't have to take your original docking station with you. If you're going to be traveling, you can just take this one and it's easy to carry. Well, guys, hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.